Okay, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we opened here. Oh, this is good. Let's see what happens here. So we opened here. We did not sweep buy side. We're just continuing downwards. We took sell side. Okay, now we're gonna aim for this sell side here. Probably gonna sell off today, I'd say. Continuously. Let's see. See what happens here. Might be into a little wedge right now, like this. See if we get a decision made into which way we want to go. It's more than likely going to go towards sell side, which is down here, which we'll be aiming for. But let's see. Right, I'm not gonna rush anything, take our time, wait for a good entrance. No need to rush. If no trade happens, no trade happens, you know what I mean? What can you do? What can you do? Very strong wedge coming in here into formation. Let's see, I'm curious about the current ATR is about 17, dying off, but about 17 right now. Interesting. Alright, it's not too bad. I'm curious as to, yeah. Okay. Again, I'm looking for either shorts or longs, depending on what the market gives us. Right now, I think it's a bit of a wedge. I want this wedge to kind of finish off. I'm curious if we take out this sell side here. If we were to take out this sell side, I would be interested in shorting it, aiming for this low here, this wick. Perhaps doing a trading loss until the sell side there, but let's see. Who knows? Yeah. We might end up at this fair value gap today. But let's see. We do have this quite odd range. I won't lie. See how it goes, Again, I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm not gonna rush. We just take our time. Okay, let's see if we get a bounce off the wedge. Now, essentially what I'm looking at here now is I want to see a breakout or a sweep, either to the upside or to the downside, and then I would do the reversal of that. So let's see if we sweep below or above, see if we can hold that breakout. If we do hold that breakout, then I will do a continuation. But if we see just a sweep and then come back into the range, we'll wait for a reversal entry. So now I would expect perhaps here, because we're coming to this wedge decision point, or the decision point of this wedge, I would perhaps expect it to now sweep to the upside, take out some of these stop losses here, some liquidity that's resting here, and then reverse back to go further down into sell side for the evening hours. But let's see. No one knows, to be honest. No one knows. We take it as it is. I would potentially short, but I want to see a close below this wick on the 2 or 5. Yeah, we'll be aiming for around 16, 17 points. Let's get a full ATR. Yeah. Yeah, let's keep watch. We'll take a candle by candle. Candle by candle. Now all the major news already came out, so we shouldn't be seeing anything else unless, of course, Trump decides to tweet something. Then we'll see how that goes. Alright, let's keep watch. Would love to see rollover of 5 minutes below this wick. I will potentially do a short betting against this breakout, but let's see. Again, we could just get bounce off here again and again and then make a decision point here. So let's see. At this point, there's no trade for us to take. Alright, see what happens here. See if this breakout holds. We got 19 seconds left in this candle. Again, I see a rollover close below this guy for me to do anything. 8 seconds. Unless it just sweeps, you know. It's very possible too. Alright, trade. On to the next candle. We might just get tighter and tighter in this this wedge. Just roll over. Alright, let's keep watch. See if you can continue downwards. No. I'm not buying that. Let's maybe wait for one more retracement. Let's see, we'll go from there. Bit too strong of a push, to be honest with you. Because this could just be the sweep to go back into the range, so let's see. Again, I'm not forcing a trade if I don't see one. Let it be. Oof, nice push, nice push. Alright, see what happens here. See if we get a continuation to the downside. We'll aim for about maybe 17 points or so. Oh wow, big push here. Alright, let's keep watch. 30 seconds left. Oof, and a big wake back up. I think that's why I didn't short here, because whoa, pretty ugly wick. Alright, let's keep watching it. See what happens. Well, if we get a full engulfing of this candle and go down, hey there man, I'd sell that for about maybe 10 points or so. Let's watch though. See what actually happens. And I would risk the top of this 5 minute candle. Oh wow, okay, you might get it. See. I'll put it down a bit more in case it sweeps us. Alright, let's keep watch. See if it comes down. Okay, we're in there. Aiming for a full ATR, about 17 points. Stop loss is going to be the very top of that candle. About here. In that case, it should be a bit more than that, I'd say. Alright, man. Let's see what happens here. $35 seconds left for this candle. I'll take this guy out. And we watch. 21 seconds. ATR is 18 at the moment. Is about there. Okay. Alright, see how it goes. Got about a minute left in this 5 minute candle. Oh. Again, we'll take about 18 points, full ATR, but if it sweeps us down to 25, we'll also take that. See how it goes. Okay, I do have manual control here in case it comes down to 18. Or if we see 18, I should say. So let's see 18. This is a big 5 minute candle, isn't it? 10 seconds. So we're doing short, so buy limit 3 right there. Alright, came pretty close, but no trade unfortunately. See if we can get a continuation to the downside. If we get our wick back up and hits us out, that's okay too. There's no issue whatsoever. Oh, Stop us at the very top of that body. Alright, see what happens. Listen, man, if hits us, man. It is what it is, you know? Just keep watching. Alright, see if the bulls reverse this or we get a nice continuation to the downside. Take it candle by candle, yeah? We have a minute 46 left in this 5 minutes. We got a bit left in that too, so let's keep watching. Whoa. I'm gonna get stopped out here, let's see. If we do, that's okay. We carry on. Now my stop loss should technically be at this very, very top wick, like so. Be a big loss, but it's a bit more accurate of a stop loss, to be honest. Let's keep watching. If we see it close above this bar, I think we'll take it out manually. Of course, we have our stop loss if anything. 30 seconds. Well, this is a very big push by the bulls. Gracious. Let's see if we make a full recovery here now. Oh, we might. Let me just get this precisely on that wick. Oh yeah, it's gonna stop us out. Oh, there's a fly here. Oh, there's a fly here. Oh god. Oof. Big loss. Right, we're out. Alright, on to the next. There's a big fly here. Holy crap. Alright. Let's look at the fair value gap. Where is it? It's here. Dun, dun. See how high we can come up. See if you get to the very top of that range. I should also take this guy out because we've essentially swept it, right? So let's take this range that we're in right now, see what happens here. I wouldn't mind shorting at this very top, but let's get a nice dirty rollover from the bears. Let's see. See if you can not beat this fair value gap. It'd be pretty cool. I don't want to see, I don't want to see a close above this fair value gap personally. Alright, let's keep watching. Okay, I want to see one bear candle before we short. If we short, of course. Is that a bad trade? I'm curious. I don't know. I'll review it post game. Okay, let's not get a close above the fair value gap. Or let's do fuck it. See if I care. Alright, there's a rollover. I'm going to sell, not buy. Right, I gotta see at least one bear candle on the 2 minutes before I do anything. So let's keep watching. We got 2 minutes till that happens, so let's see. Alright, here's a good push with the bears. Bulls, sorry, not the bears. Alright, see what happens here. I still gotta see one more. I gotta see one more bear candle for me to do anything, so let's keep watching. It's the ATR now. It is still 18. Alright. I wouldn't mind shorting this, but I gotta see a black bar first. See if we stick to this range that we have here. Alright, got a minute left here. Four seconds. 22 points of a stop loss. We do it here actually. No, just keep watch. 10 seconds. I'll get ready to do a sell limit here with the rollover. 5 seconds, see if we get a fill. Alright. See what happens here. Just bidding against the range essentially. See if we maintain this or come back down. Right, no fill. Let's wait for this candle to finish. Alright, coming back down now. Let's see if we get a nice close in this candle. I'll probably do a risk of here, so got a minute left here. Let's see what happens. ATR is still about 18, so pretty big a range this one. 45 seconds. Alright, I have a limit order out. I'll move it here on the rollover. If you get that nice confirmation. 30 seconds. Okay, let's calm down, bears, calm down. Come on now, calm down. Just relax, yeah, relax. Let's not push the bears. Bears, relax, please. 15 seconds. Here we go. Let's wait for the rollover. 1 second. There you go. Oh, fuck's sake, come on. Okay, fuck it. Gotta do it manually. Didn't want to film me there for some reason. Alright. Fuck me, that's a massive stop loss. Alright. I think I'll do it honestly here instead. Not make it that big. Alright, aiming for this guy, but we'll take it at 17 anyways. See how it goes. We got a minute 30 left for the 5-minute rollover. Let me just do this guy short. Long here. There we go. Alright, we'll do it here instead. Alright, see what happens here. Hopefully we can get a continuation to the downside. We're aiming for a full ATR, which is how much? Oh, scheiße. Which is 18 right now. Yeah, so 18 is around there. Alright, that's our aim essentially. We'll do a trailing stop from here if we don't reverse now back to the upside. Again, this is me bidding against the range, so maybe we might come down all the way down. Who knows? We'll see. Again, we take it candle by candle. We got 20 seconds left in 5 minutes. Ten seconds left. See if we get a nice continuation to the downside. 2 seconds. Let's roll over. If I see a rollover 2 minutes above this candle, I might take it out. Let's watch though. And if we lose it, like, it's fine. Like, you know what I mean? I won't be offended. Okay, we're waiting for this. If we don't get it, that's fine. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Golly, I'm perfect. Excuse me. Do you know what? I'm just watching the 5 minutes. Get less stressful for ourselves. Let's also adjust this range to be a bit more accurate. There you go. That's good. Do you know what? Actually, we'll take out. So we're selling. So buy limit treat. Let's do that there. And then we let this 4 hit itself. This might not happen, so let's see. Getting in for a full ATR. Good roll over. If we see a full engulfing and a roll over above this candle, we'll take it out. Come on, bears. We got 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. 5 minutes. I want to roll over of this candle. If this candle doesn't show us a bearish sign, we might take it out. Or just do 3 shares anyways. And then we'll let the 1 hit itself. Come on, bears. Hit us. "45 seconds left. There we go. Come on, bears. Ten seconds left. I do have my button over the manual. I have to take out the tree shears anyways. Come on, bears, hit us. We got a minute left in 5. Very small loss if anything. Come on, bears. You got 25 seconds left in the 5 minutes. Let's see the rollover of this candle. Might take it out honestly if it's a very bullish close. Okay, candle by candle, yeah. 2 seconds here. If this doesn't come down now, I gotta take it out. Why wouldn't they want that? Gracious. I'm going to allow that stop loss to hit. I am not allowing a full recovery. Oof, that's not pretty. Okay, it's going to stop us out there. If our next trade is also a loss, I might hop off for today. I don't want to revenge trade too much. Now, would we potentially go long? Maybe yes, but I'd have to see it. Yeah, there it goes. I'd have to see it. I'd have to see it go probably above this fair value gap again, and we might do a long there. But let's see. Damn, 2 losses so far. Alright, if the next one is the also loss, we'll stop there and leave it for today. Back in 2 seconds. A wedge again. Alright, see what happens here. I would potentially do a long, I just don't like this thing that we have here. You know what I mean? I don't feel too safe about that. While this is a very good bull push, I don't feel comfortable considering this kind of wedge that we have, you know? So, I'll let it be, see how it goes. We keep watch, baby, we keep watch. Alright, slowly climbing here, slowly climbing, alright. Let's see if we get a push through this wedge. Or downside continuation. Very good climb though so far. Alright. Just keep watching, see what happens. See this wicks back up, or this might be a double top actually. Very possible for it to be double top. I'll do a very quick short here. I want to see the rollover first. See if it wicks back up, or we get a downside continuation. Both are pretty possible. Dun, dun, dun. See what happens here. I'm going to leave it off. Let's wait for the candle to finish. See if this double top persists. About a minute left here. It's looking like a spicy double top though, I will say. I can't really short that, can I? Nah, I can't. Okay, I'm gonna take this out and just watch her. See how this double top evolves. 35 seconds. Dun, dun. Do a shortly aim for the bottom here, or just ATR at 18 seconds. ATR is 17 right now, aiming for 17 points, so. Okay, stop sell for, let's see the rollover. See if it gives us what we want. 4 seconds here, big push. Alright, there we go. See if we get a fill. Oof, pretty quick wick back up. Pretty weird price action though, not gonna lie. Right, no trade. Pretty funny looking price action. Forming another wedge perhaps. Wedge within a wedge within a wedge. That'd be funny. Let's keep watch. Now it's turning to the 50-50. I ain't going to lie. Oh, let's see a bear close maybe. 7 seconds left here. See what happens. Oh lol. See if it comes down now. If it comes down, we'll do our stop loss here, which would be awesome. It's a very tight risk, which I like. And no trade. Okay, we give it 30 seconds. If it doesn't fill us in the first 30 seconds, we're out. Now it's turning a bit 50-50, yeah. Not too good. But oh well, what can you do? What can you do? Got a minute left here. Good, very close, very good. Come on. Oh, no, not close, sorry. We're still got a little bit of time left. Apologies. Come on. 30 seconds, give me a good entry. Although, I would hate if we swept this and didn't continue down. That would be really annoying. Like, I hate it if we closed here. And it's very 50-50, man, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's check ATR real quick. ATR is at 16. Just a rollover. 3 seconds left. Oh, an immediate buyback from that on that wick. Okay, but 3 seconds again. If it doesn't give it to us, that's fine. We'd be probably playing for a sweep instead of a actual good short. Keep watch. Minute 38. Come on, give us something. Give us something. We'll hold this here. See if you get a fill. 41 seconds. Probably aim for 16 ATR. 30 seconds. Alright, let that be. 10 seconds. I would not want to see any closes above this wick or above this candle. It's aiming for that higher high. Means we're aiming for this high, sorry, not higher high. That's not what I meant to say. 5 minutes. Looks interesting. It's definitely a double top clearly on the 5 minutes. Let's see where this ends up. Man, take this out. Got a minute left. I'll move this guy up here if we have to. See what happens here. That'd be a bit of a head and shoulders actually. It's very possible. Let's keep watch, let's keep watch. Bit difficult to read at the moment. Right, there's a push to the upside. This could be our first red day of today. See what happens. First red day in 4 days. And that's okay. Listen, if we end red today, if we recover fully today, I'm okay with both. Like I've both accepted that I'm gonna lose today and win today. So it won't affect my weekend or anything else. So let's keep watch, guys. Oh. At this point, we let it be. Just keep watching. Don't really see a entry at the moment. We are below the 5 EMA. Let's see. We are slowly descending downwards. It's being a bit spiky though. Yeah, it doesn't know which way it wants to go, eh? I think we'll see it come down to the bottom here. Alright, 20 seconds. I will show here if we get a nice close out of the bears. 8 seconds left. Let's wait for the rollover. 5 seconds. Alright, gonna put this guy here. It's a bit exactly at the sweep, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but okay. Right, we're in. 17 points. I'm gonna do a pretty tight stop loss, about 15 points. See what happens here. And we did just kind of sweep that, so it's not the best entry, but sure, we roll with it anyways. See if we can get a push to the downside. Get that ATR. 16 action at the moment. That's okay. With the rollover, so 46 seconds. Oof, pretty quick wick back up. Let's get the rollover. I need the rollover to be negative. I can't go up. Come on, 30 seconds left. $22 seconds. Seconds. It's got a nice close below this neckline. Not an amazing rollover, but okay. Keep watch. If I see a roll over above this candle, we might take it out. If this hits us here, we'll be done for today, I say. We won't trade anymore. Just to avoid any stupid losses. Do my hand over manual close if we have to. Got a minute left here. See if we can get that pushed down to the bottom of this range. If not, it's cool too. I'm looking for about, was it 16 did we say? 16, yeah. 16 points. Come on, Bears. $30 seconds. Alright, the best rollover, to be honest, but okay, we'll keep watch. Allow it to hit my stop loss at this point. I would like if it didn't, but oh well, what can we do? Come on, Bears, step in. So whatever happens, if I lose, if I win, praise God, whatever it is. You can't win every day, and I'm okay with that. And I am okay with that. Yeah, I don't want to see it close above the previous 5-minute candle body. I would not want to see that, so let's keep watch. If I see a rollover above this, I'm gonna take it out. 30 seconds left. Alright, there we go, there's a push. Let's see if it hits us. If it does, we'll be done for today. And I think I will. Yep. And we're out. Alright. Pretty big loss day, but sure, it happens sometimes. Yeah, tree something. Okay. Alright, we'll do maybe one more trade, but we'll reduce contracts, just the 3 contracts. Pretty hard price action though, eh? Right, very 50-50 right now, to be honest, with this this guy right here. If I was to go long, If I was to go long, probably I need to roll over above this, but then we're aiming for this top, which I don't like. If we're to go short, it's tough. Very, very tough. Here you go, he's a very good push. See what happens here. I wouldn't mind buying this, but only doing 3 shares, just to reduce our risk. Probably aiming to take out some of these stop losses. But let's see. ATR is about 16 right now. There you go, 30 seconds left. Let's see what happens here. See if we get a fill. Just give it 18 seconds. 10 seconds. Good hold by the bulls. All right, I'm gonna put that there. Stop loss will be set probably at the bottom of this 5-minute candle, which we'll do on this one. There you go, that's easier. All right, see what happens here. See if you get a push. Alright, I'm gonna aim for this top sell side. Stop loss is going to be set at the bottom of this 5-minute candle. Alright, see what happens here. you can take out that liquidity. Mm-mm. Hmm. 22 seconds. Come on, balls. It is a bit dangerous, but logging at the very top of this range, but considering this curve, I really like it. I like it to at least come close to this upside. Let's make it really tight. There you go. Alright, let's keep holding that, see what happens. Got 42 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. Come on, balls. If I see it close below this bar, I'll probably take it out. We gotta get off today, because again we can't have that many losses in a row. You have to go away and recalibrate, you know. Got a minute 7 seconds here. There's a roll up at 5 minutes. It's not too bad. Couldn't have done better. The next 2-minute candle will tell us what we need to know. Come on, bulls, take out that stop loss. Or I should say, take out the liquidity that we have here. 24 seconds. $15 seconds. Come on, bulls, push through. Right, it's a rollover. Right, I'm gonna adjust my stop loss to here. Just because it's rollover, I don't like it. It's a pretty decisive rollover. Alright, I'm just gonna stop us here, I'd say. I'm gonna lock myself out immediately after this loss, just so I step off today. I don't want to lose any more. I don't want to lose any more whatsoever. Now, if it goes out, it's just in the green. I mean, we'll stay in there. We'll stay trading. But honestly, I kind of want to enjoy my Friday at this point, so I don't really mind if it hits us. Let's see. Oh yeah. Alright, guys. It was a good stream. I will see you all later. Listen, man, it happens sometimes, eh? What can you do? What can you do? Right. Pretty dirty price action, all this, not gonna lie. Not the best. Alright, let's do this. Alright, there we go, we're locked out for the entire day. I'm not gonna trade anymore just because it's not worth it. It's not worth not worth doing all that. So, guys, I will see you on I'll see you on Monday. Yeah. Maybe trade well, stay patient, and all that. Right, guys, good luck. May God bless you. Sorry, may God keep you and bless you. May God keep you. What's the verse? Okay, I can't remember, but may God bless you, anyways, and may you stay well. Yeah, it's price action. Look at this. Yeah, wedge, just a wedge the entire time. All right. Close this guy. Close that. Perfect. Okay, guys. See you Monday. Bye bye.